This video is sponsored by English Counting, Mobile Master, Mohammadi Furniture, Newson Fabrics Clothes Store, Upolis Fashion Store, Bill on Construction, and by Edify International School.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं कुक करना की टीम को मुबारकबाद देता हूँ ये स्टोर खोलने के लिए एशियन मॉल में। लॉन्ड्री के और का जो सेगमेंट में ऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर में कोई अच्छा काम नहीं हो रहा है, बट ये जो फॉर्मेट लेके आए हैं उम्मीद है कि बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहेगा। डिलीवरी और कलेक्शन का जो सिस्टम बता रहे हैं, अगर वो कामयाब तरीके से चलाएँ तो एक बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल फॉर्मेट हो सकता है और बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस खोलने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी अगर ये सही तरह से चलाएं।
We Hook and Hang Laundry, we have started today. Today was the inauguration of our laundry setup. We are very thankful for our chief guest today and also our special invitees who have been visited here. How this business came to my mind is, like, since 1.5 years we were doing survey of this thing, and since when I was in Gulf also, I was frequently visiting to my colleagues related to laundry sectors. So I tried to grasp more and more knowledge in this field. And when I was in India, when I was working in most of the states in India, so I struggled a lot. Like when I was a bachelor, I was struggling a lot to wash my clothes and all these things, no? So as per now this environment, the students are even struggling for the washing of clothes. Like they are spending this precious time in 4 hours. Like they are getting in weekend they are getting 4 hours. They are spending their precious time in washing the clothes. And we are working on very minimal charges. If you are comparing our service with the other laundry services, it's totally different. Like what technology we are using is very highly sophisticated equipments we are using. Like we are using machines from Sweden, we are using machines from France, we are using equipments from Italy also. So the quality is we cannot compromise regarding the quality, and we have a very dedicated team to handle all these fabrics, especially when we think for silk or wool. So it's a very delicate part of fabric, very delicate fabrics. So normally the peoples, they are going to dry cleaning the silk or wool, fearing that this fabric will get sink. Okay, so now our machines, our advanced equipments will take care of this, and we will wash these type of delicates. We will wash this type of delicate with water. This is our challenge. So we are not using any sort of hazardous chemicals in this. We are not using any petrochemicals, even for removing the stains, even blood stains or any type of stains. And one more thing I want to make it clear that like family clothes, we are not mixing family clothes with other families. Okay, we are washing them separately, because our equipments are not like bulky or huge equipments. It's a totally imported equipments. हमारा विजन ये है कि हमारा जो सर्विसेज है वो सब लोग अवेल करें इसका, और especially I request for the students to avail this offer, because instead of spending their precious 4 hours during the weekends, during the weekends, you can come to our shop in Asian Mall LG14. They can go through our pamphlets and brochure. They can find out so how good is our service, and how they can save their time as well as money, as well as they can concentrate on their studies. This is our mission.
This video is sponsored by English County, Mobile Master, Mohammadi Furniture, Nusan Fabrics Clothes Store, Upolis Fashion Store, Bill on Constructions, and by Edify International School.